No. Then they go under. If they want to hide if something precious, they'll go and hide under the stairs.
She wants to know what you're doing. Hello, boys.
It's more than Bruce. She said that
Really?
Bonnie has a bigger head than Bruce.
Really? I thought she had curlier fur. Is that Jackson?
I think that's Jackson.
Oh, he's got his mother's braid right.
Well, it was just a clean meat. You know?
Yeah.
That's great.
It was like, well, I'll get wet if there's something out there to get wet about. But
Worth it.
yeah.
What's that, Jack?
That's cute. It's Easter time. Now that's the purple.
That's
That's
Jackson.
Jackson.
You can tell Jackson, he's the plumper one.
Which one?
He's a big
The right there?
Jackson's the
Yeah,
big one.
big
The
boy.
boy that's, yeah.
And
And then Bruce is behind him.
Bruce is the small boy.
And what
Where'd
happened
she
to...
go?
She's off on her own.
She's independent little
There
thing.
she is. The top
Oh yeah, she's got a twig in her mouth.
Oh, you can't go, you can't go. I'm old enough to stay home.
Well,
Heck with that, I'm going.
Yeah, I told Carol, well, 2 years, I don't know what my son's gonna be doing. I said, we need something to do.
Then we'll have our free time.
Yeah, right.
Look what you have.
Oh, you found something good, huh?
As soon as I get it in focus.
I know.
We don't want to hold there.
There's no puppy in the picture.
Movie
Just
camera, you
leaves.
better all the food.
the camera's better.
Yeah, that's Jackson over there.
She's like,
She's going to give Baloo
Or
her
the-
money.
for his money.
His money, I mean.
It looks like someone else has got a walnut shell too.
No. Carrying around the wall.
It's too funny.
I'm heading over here because I'm getting a bug right in my face.
So you guys have one right now?
We have one right now. We have a male.
Yeah. How's he? How do you think he'll be with the puppy?
Oh, he's probably gonna be laying there and getting bit and yelling at her, and I can just imagine him.
That's funny.
I want you to take note, Lori.
Yeah.
Those are courtesy of Arthur.
What?
All the raiders.
Oh, who's Arthur?
You look in the
Arthur's the big male that's he's inside the apartment.
Oh, really?
They dig holes too. It's what we do when we get bored and it's raining.
That's a pretty good sized hole.
Okay, take a look around.
Maybe we could use them for digging foundations.
But you have to see Arthur.
That is funny.
Yeah, he's really huge. He has
What are you guys doing?
his feet are like
Puppies. Hey guys.
But yeah, the funny part. Yeah, but the funny
Hey guys.
puppies are like
Hello puppies.
little tiny.
they're not that big. So, what do you have, a female at home?
Solomon's a male.
A male. How old is he?
God, it's so funny. Puppies.
Who's this?
She just, you
I
know,
don't know who anybody is. They need to wear
But then
signs.
Sam ended up
Huh?
as the
They
other
need to have.
I know, it's hard to keep up with them, huh?
yeah, they are. They've got nice butts on them. So far, I like the fronts.
Oh yeah, they're definitely beautiful dogs.
Oh, you can see Arthur in them back there.
Hey, do you go to the Eukanuba show in Portland? The one, or do they
I
move
went
that
this
around?
year.
You did? That
Yeah.
was that Portland show you're talking about just recently?
Yeah.
Okay.
Was that a part of the tire?
Because they're
Who was the newfie that went fourth in group? Did the newfie take fourth?
Was
My
it
mom said
Docker?
that-
It was probably Docker.
Oh, okay. I missed it, but my mom was watching it on TV.
Yeah.
And she goes, "Hey, the noof took," and I didn't know who it was.
It was
But
probably Docker. I would guess.
What's on top of your barn, Pam?
It's storage mostly. If we had had the money, or when I win the lottery,
you're gonna finish it like to apartment?
yeah, I'd like to make
Yeah,
it
that'd be
an
nice, huh?
apartment.
That's a good idea.
And of course, you know, I'd really like to. Well, we've talked with Nancy. I'd like to do all kinds of stuff
It's a good sized barn.
in the barn in terms of turning it into a real grooming.
Yeah,
facility
really,
and
huh?
that kind of
That's
stuff.
true. That's like down at Pete's where they have the grooming in the back.
Yeah. The only problem, you know, once my horse.
See him take it and then like.
Yeah. It's,
Yeah, they are so fun to watch.
oh, it's so cute. They get a stick and just run with it. He's got a big stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. Give me that stick. I want your stick.
All wet now.
I want your stick.
Oh, look how big that hole is.
Oh,
Arthur,
you
Arthur.
cannot believe how deep some of these are.
Well, you don't have to cut his nails, right? He probably wears them down with all these
He
holes.
loves the mud hole.
Oh, there he goes.
What do they do? Have they seen the cat?
That just cracks me
I
up.
don't think they
What do
pay
you
any
got?
attention to the cat.
If I piece it gets another puppy.
Well, no, they saw the cat because they. I had.
That is
Jackson
too
and Luke
funny.
When I was walking back there looking at your horse, they saw the cat and they looked at it like, okay, whatever. You turned around.
That's cute, huh?
I mean, he's a great cat for puppies.
And those two got the
For
stick
any
over
dog,
there.
'cause he just doesn't.
Baloo
back off.
doesn't run. No, Baloo doesn't. I mean, Rocky doesn't do that anymore either. He just stands there and he hisses,
Yeah.
and then he hits with his
Yeah.
without the claw.
And then Baloo was just like this, or Baloo was just coming in through the back door, and Rocky was Baloo was walking through the laundry room. Rocky was sitting on the table in the laundry room, or no, it was Mocha, and Mocha went, "Pah," just as he went by, like, and Baloo didn't even
Tapped him
bug
on
him,
the
but
head.
just as he went by, "Pah."
At dinner time, they're all neutral. They all sit there in a row. The cat
wait.
and Baloo, and they wait. And I threw down a little bit of meat I had. And I said, that's for Rocky. And I threw it down, and Baloo went to grab it, and Rocky hissed at him. And Rocky went
Backed off.
He backs off, okay. And he sits back down, and he waits, and Rocky eats his little piece of meat. I thought, whoa.
Who's that? Is that Jackson over there laying on the wood?
Yeah, he's got his toy and
Where did, okay, there's one.
That's Jackson.
There's two. Oh, there's the other
There
one.
she is over there
Yeah, she's over there. She's
in the puddle.
Yeah, we better go.
that is too
Okay,
cute.
we'll see
You
you
guys got
later.
something tomorrow?
I'll see you Thursday.
Moms and
I'll see you too, Pam.
See ya.
I'll see you on Thursday too.
As soon as Pete, I'll let you know.
Okay, okay.
That's our first. That's our first.
Well, whatever.
Nice
happens,
meeting you
whatever
guys.
Nice to meet you too.
See you later.
Take care.
Kiss her, huh? Is that her over there?
Okay, he wants to go down.
I know.
Put him down, Carol.
Oh, Ames.
He wants to.
Don't pick me up.
Yeah. He's gonna get you.
I just want to jump on you and pull on you.